Good morning and good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to cook very delicious pork adobo, Philippine style. It's super yummy, guys. First thing to do, guys, we need to wash the meat. The pork meat was really good with water. And then after you wash, now you have to cut the meat or slice like cube size, like adobo size. So you have to cut, and then after that you have to cut. But this excuse me, all the chicken, all the pork, I cut it, but just like 1 kilo of pork meat, I need to make some adobo. So now the meat is, I cut down the meat. So here, guys, you have to cut 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. Fresh garlic, guys. I love garlic, so I want my adobo to put a lot of garlic. It tastes yummy. And also cut 1/2 onions, and you have to cut a small size like cubes, the same of garlic. So I decided to cut red onions, guys, instead white. White is good too. So there are ingredients. So 3 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of vinegar, 3 spoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pork powder, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and also 4 cloves chop of garlic, and 1/2 onion chop, and also 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and also 1 kilograms, I think more than kilograms of pork meat, guys. So now I need to make hot the pan and add 2 tablespoons of onion and stir it, and add the onions, and making sure you have to stir it, and onions is a little bit cooked. And also you have to add the garlic and stir it. So when the garlic is cooked, guys, you have to add the brown sugar to make to cook caramelize. You have to cook like caramel, sticky. So it's gonna be stick on the meat, guys. So you have to add the pork meat at 1 kilo of meat, guys. I have a little bit of fats and also a lot of meat, but no bones. So this kind of adobo is very delicious. Every people they have own taste, but if you taste my adobo, guys, it's very good. So you have to try it. So I love my adobo like a little bit sour and sweet. So I put 4 brown sugar. If you have no brown sugar, then you have to put white sugar. So now I add 2 tablespoons of black pepper. If you have no black pepper powder, you can add peppercorn, and also 1 tablespoon of beef powder, of pork powder. So yun, guys, and you have to stir it well. So you have to stir it, and then, guys, you have to add like 2 cups of water, hot water or cold water, and then you have to boil the meat like 1 hour. So now you have to add 3 or 4 leaves of bay leaves or laurel, and then you have to cover it. Try to simmer it and mix it again, and then simmer it like 5 minutes. And then after that 5 minutes, you have to add soy sauce, 2 tablespoon of soy sauce, sorry. And then also you have to add 2 cups of water and boil it like 1 hour or more than 1 hour. So 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. It depends how you meat it cook. If you think it's soft, it's okay. And you have boiled it until the water gets sticky, guys. Get dry and sticky. So that's for until, and also the meat is cooked and soft. So when you say you run out already the water, but they have no more water, so you can add more water, guys. And then you have to cook it very well until it gets sticky. So now you have to add vinegar, white vinegar, or coconut vinegar. Then you have to cover it. Try not to stir it. Leave that there, and then you have to taste it. Make sure the taste is good. And my adobo, guys, I wanna get very sticky until like the oil is coming out. So it's really delicious, good. And the caramelized, the what's it called, sticky, like sweet and taste sour. So if you can try my adobo, it's very delicious. You need to try it. So if you like my video, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make sure to leave comment. As soon as possible, I will respond your message. I really appreciate, guys, to visiting my channel. And shout out to all my viewers, subscribers. Thank you very much, and God bless. So now it's look like the sauce, guys, it gets sticky. So I have leftover soy sauce, so I add more. The total soy sauce is like 3 tablespoons. So I pour the first time, and then I left a little bit 2 tablespoons for the last time. So you have to boil it, make sure the oil and the sauce get sticky. So our pork adobo, guys, is almost done. So what I said, you have to try it. And we eat this rice, just only soup, guys, but it's very good, really good. You have to lick your finger. So thank you for watching my video. And now the pork adobo is ready to serve. So I'm going to sit aside on the clean plate, and that is only option, guys. If you wanna really spicy, then you have to cut the chili, but I don't want that. Is only optional. I put decoration, so I don't want to put chili, but they have maybe if you break, maybe like that. So now I need to put the clean plate, the chicken, the pork adobo. I'm sorry, this is pork adobo. So you can cook the pork adobo or chicken adobo, is the same ingredients. So thank you very much, and enjoy watching my video, and please try it, and you eat it with rice. Bye, and see you in my next video. And don't forget to post the notification, so every time I upload a video, you always update it.